Fab Four.
The cradle of love. Don't let your sweet love die like flowers in the fall. Don't take away the smile and leave the bitter tear. My heart believes in you. Please say you love me true.
You will be able to feel like you were there in the rain, in the mud, but you won't be. You'll be listening to the music.
Parks Casino supports XPN and welcomes Ben Harper and the Innocent Criminals in Trombone Shorty, Sunday, August 25th at the new Excite Center, open at Parks Casino. A live performance of both Ben Harper and Trombone Shorty together on Summer Tour 2019. Tickets and info at parkscasino.com. Must be 21. Help for gambling problem available at 1-800-GAMBLER.
Please excuse this interruption.
This Thursday on XBN, before we relive the magic of Woodstock as it happened, we'll set the scene with Throwback Thursday, exploring the music of 1969. Starting at 6 a.m., listen as we revisit pivotal releases like Dylan's Nashville Skyline, Sinatra's My Way, In the Court of the Crimson King, and of course, Abbey Road. It's all music from 1969 on Throwback Thursday as we get ready to celebrate Woodstock as it happened 50 years on.
Welcome yourselves to this experiment.
Use the hashtag TBTXPN, and thanks to our sponsors Nolan Painting,